So welcome students, exercise 3.5. In that question number 2, for which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? So here infinite number of solutions means when this condition will exist when two lines are coincident one above the other. Okay, and this condition will be satisfied when a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and which is also equal to c1 by c2. So if this condition satisfied, then the lines are coincident and they have got infinitely many solutions. So here consider the equations, that is consider equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and one more equation a minus b. So here a minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. So this is all constant term. So here a1 is 2, a2 is a minus b, b1 is 3, b2 is a plus b, c1 is 7, c2 is this total term. So we will see a1 by a2 is equal to 2 divided by a minus b. Okay, b1 by b2 is equal to 3 divided by a plus b, and c1 by c2 is equal to 7 divided by 3a plus b minus 2. Infinite number of solution means these must be equal to each other. Okay, so here what he is asking, for what value of a and b means, so here a and b values should be such that all should be equal. So we have to as per given data, so these are equal, that is 2 divided by a minus b is equal to 3 divided by a plus b, which is also equal to 7 divided by 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, so now we will equate this term with this one. Okay, so 2 divided by a minus b is equal to 7 divided by 3a plus b minus 2. We will form one equation. So here cross multiplication, 2 into 3 means 6a plus 2b minus 4 is equal to 7a minus 7b. Okay, 7a minus 7b. So here 6a minus 7a, here 7a plus 2b plus 7b minus 4 equal to 0. So 6a minus 7a means minus a, here plus 9b minus 4 equal to 0. This is one equation. Okay, so one more equation is 3 divided by a plus b is equal to 7 divided by 3a plus b minus 2. So cross multiplication, 3 into 3 means 9a plus 3b minus 6 is equal to 7a plus 7b. So here 9a minus 7a plus 3b minus 7b minus 6 equal to 0. So 9a minus 7a means 2a. Here 3b minus 7b means minus 4b minus 6 equal to 0. This is second equation. So from these two equations we have to solve for a and b. So now I will rewrite this equation as minus a plus 9b is equal to 4. And this equation I will write here 2a minus 4b is equal to 6. Okay, 6 I have sent to RHS, 4 also I have sent to RHS. If you multiply this equation with 2, so elimination method we can find out. Okay, so here this becomes minus 2a plus 18b is equal to 8, and this is 2a minus 4b equal to 6. So this two equations will add so that they will be gets cancelled. See here, minus 2a plus a, 18b minus 4b, so 14b is equal to 8, 6, 14. So b is equal to 14 divided by 14. So b is equal to 1. Okay, so substitute this value in any of this equation. So consider equation 2. that is 2a minus 4b minus 6 equal to 0. So b value will substitute 2a minus 4 into 1 minus 6 equal to 0. 2a is equal to 6 plus 4. 2a is equal to 10. A is equal to 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. These are the a and b values. For a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1, these pair of linear equations have infinite number of solutions. Okay, we will go for second one. So here second one, for which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solutions? Here no solution means what? Lines are parallel. Lines are parallel. Okay. So when the two lines are parallel, then they are not intersecting at any point, and hence there is no solution. If the lines are intersecting, then only we will get the solution. Okay. So now this condition, when it occurs, when a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, and it should not be equal to c1 by c2. This is the condition. Okay. So now we will verify here. So here 3x plus y equal to 1 and 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 1. This is constant term, this is coefficients. So here a1 by a2 is equal to 3 divided by 2k minus 1, and b1 by b2 is equal to 1 divided by k minus 1, and c1 by c2 is equal to 1 divided by 2k plus 1. So here the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. This must be satisfied. So first we will take these two, that is a1 by a2, this 3 divided by 2k minus 1, this is equal to 1 divided by k minus 1. Okay. So now cross multiplication here. 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. Okay. 3k, this 2k will bring here, is equal to 3 minus 1. So here k is equal to 2. This is the value. So for this value of k, these have got no solutions. Okay. So now exercise 3.5, question number 3. Solve the following pair of linear equation by substitution and cross multiplication method. So both method we have to solve and verify the x and y values. So here first one, 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. Second equation, 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. So this is the first equation, this is second equation. Okay. Now we will solve by substitution method first. Substitution method. Okay. In this method, we will substitute one of the variable in another equation so that we will get both the variables. So consider equation number 1. So here 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. So 8x is equal to 9 minus 5y. So x is equal to 9 minus 5y divided by 8. So put x value in equation 2. So equation 2 is 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. So 3, x value 9 minus 5y divided by 8. Okay, plus 2y as it is equal to 4. So 9 3 is 27 minus 15y divided by 8 plus 2y is equal to 4. So LCM we will take. 8 is the LCM. 27 minus 15y plus 16y is equal to 4. Okay. So now next, here 27 minus 15y plus 16y means only plus y is equal to 8 into 4. Okay. So y is equal to 8 4s are 32 minus 27. So y is equal to 5. This is the y value. And next, substitute y value in equation 1, any equation. So 8x plus 5 into 5 is equal to 9. So 8x is equal to 9 minus 5 is 25. So x is equal to 9 minus 25 means 16 divided by 8. So 8 ones are 8 twos are. So x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. So this is using substitution method. So we will do by cross multiplication method. Okay. Cross multiplication method, we will write the equation as 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. Okay. And 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So here x divided by, so mask this one, so 5 into minus 4, 5 into minus 4 minus 2 into minus 9, 2 into minus 9. This is equal to y divided by this mask, and here minus 9, see 8 and 3 you write here, minus 9 into 3, minus 9 into 3 minus 4 into 8, minus 4 into 8. So this is equal to 1 divided by, so this mask, so 8 into 2, 8 into 2 minus 5 into 3, 5, 3. So here x divided by 5 4 is 20, minus 20. So this minus minus plus 18 is equal to y divided by minus 27 plus 8 4s are 32 is equal to 1 divided by 8 2 16 minus 5 3s are 15. Okay. So x divided by minus 2 is equal to y divided by 5 is equal to 1 divided by 1. So this we will equate for finding x value. X divided by minus 2 is equal to 1. So x is equal to minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Okay, now we have made mistake here. This is minus 16. Okay, minus 16 divided by 8. So x is equal to minus 2. So this is minus 2, correct. So y divided by 5 is equal to 1. So y is equal to 5. Okay, so now both are correct.